Tremendous cute. Tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pit master's favorite pit master? Hey, welcome back to another video here on Tremendous Q's Cooking Channel. I'm Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q. Now before I go any further, I'm asking you guys to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to cut on those notifications so you can get all the latest content as we kick it out, alright? So today I have a walkthrough video of the newest grill to the Tremendous Q cooking family. It's the Weber 22-inch Gourmet Barbecue Series grill. Now, real quick story. I have just gotten back from a deployment to Al Dhafra, UAE. I was gone for a year, all right? I did have a Kettle Grill at my previous duty stations, but this grill was just not gonna make it through another PCS or move for those of you that aren't military. So I decided I need to go out and upgrade. And I've been eyeing this grill for a little while. I've been doing a little research on it, and I really like the feedback. And if we're just gonna be frank about it, the Weber following, especially the Kettle Grill following, it's a little bit of a cult following, and I see why. So without further ado, let's get to this walkthrough so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, the Weber 22-inch Gourmet Barbecue Series grill. As you can see, I did buy the cover for it. These things do wonders in terms of protecting the finish and the paint job over the years that I found, alright? So, the lid has the 4 breather holes up top. It's a little stiff, but it should loosen up over time. And I did have to install the thermometer. I picked up a wire brush because I'm OCD as far as keeping my grills clean. And then this little doodad right here helps move the coals around during the cooking process, all right? Now, this is one of the coolest things that I think I've seen on any Kettle Grill. It's basically a holder for your lid. So when you're out cooking, you can just set your lid right to the side, not on the ground, all right? That's awesome, love it, it's invaluable. This piece sitting on top of the grates basically allows you to keep your food off your direct heating source. And then this circle that I just removed is what makes it the Gourmet Barbecue Series grill. You can interchange by buying from Weber. You can add skillets, woks, and you put those inside of that little circle, and it basically turns it into a cooking system. And then of course, there is the iconic hinge grates on the 22-inch grill grate from Weber, all right? That's used for low and slow barbecue cooking, as well as these little doodads. I don't even know what these things are. We'll call them smoke baskets for now. So these little smoke baskets, you can put your charcoal in, or you can put charcoal and wood in, wood chips. And this is also gonna help with your low and slow barbecue process. You can set them on either side of the charcoal grate on the bottom of the grill, and it basically helps you create zone cooking, 2-zone, 3-zone cooking, all right? So this section up here is basically what makes it the Gourmet Barbecue System. And then down below, this handle right here, when you slide back and forth, it opens the air holes, but it's dual-headed in terms of releasing the ash into this bucket. All right, so whenever it's time to de-ash, whether you're cleaning or you just need to get rid of some of the ash during the cooking process, you can just drop it into that little bucket and then go and dump the ash, all right? And that's it. That's the Weber 22-inch Gourmet Barbecue System. I love it so far. It's been awesome. I did a whole chicken cook and it turned out great. Go out and pick you one up.